Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to add any payment method on your Amazon account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Amazon account. Then after you're verifying your account with your email address and password, then go and click on account on the top. Then guys, go directly to your payment on the right side in your screen. Then click on your payment. As you see guys, if you want to add any payment method, just go on the left side and click add payment method. As you see guys, this is all your payment method on your Amazon account. Then if you want to add only credit card or debit card, just click on add credit or debit card. Then guys, after adding the card number and name card and security code, click automatically on add your card. Then your card was added successfully to your Amazon account without no issue. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.